For today's makeup tutorial, Eva has chosen to make this very dark angel for us. And if you want to know how you can create this one, please keep watching. The base of this makeup is done with a water-based face paint by Diamond FX. It is called the Essential Black, and with a smoothie blender, Eva is putting that black on the skin. So basically you just want to paint your entire face with this black face paint, and you want to make it black until your jawbone. And once the entire face is black, we continue to a star blend by Meron. This is the white star blend to put the highlights on the skin. And as you can see, when you put that white over the black face paint, it gives a very cool effect. So you want to put that shadow just on the cheekbone, over the eyebrows, on the nose and on the chin as well. And once all of those highlights are on there, we continue to the metallic powders by Meron. So this is the metallic powder gold, and Eva is just putting it in a cup to mix it with the fuse liquid by Diamond FX. This is a mixing liquid, just like the mixing liquid by Meron. And once the metallic powder gold and the fuse liquid are mixed, Eva is putting the gold on the skin with just a normal face painting brush. And Eva is making a symmetrical design with this gold. So there is a line going from the temple down the cheek, a few stripes and dots on the forehead, some dots on the chin, and for a bit of extra dramatics, a few under the eyes as well. Then the face part is done. It is time to continue to the neck, and basically Eva just paints this gold with the metallic powder gold, and with that the dark angel makeup for today is done. So I really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below. Stay tuned on all our videos. We have a new video every day till Halloween, so definitely stay tuned.